Hi, my name is Orfelina Martinez, and I would like to talk about the cultural celebration that is carried out in China. This is the HARBIN Ice Festival. I live in a tropical country, and always I wanted to travel to the country that I can see the snow and enjoy a different climate for few weeks. And the HARBIN Ice Festival is a wonderful opportunity. Let me talk about this festival. The tourists can enjoy more about 2,000 immense frozen replica of the famous buildings, heritage building, and clean eye castle is so very beautiful. You can visit. You can release a ride an ice bike. This is a good opportunity for visit the snow sculpture art spot or realize other activities such as fishing, skiing, ice sailing, ice football, ice hockey, painting, and you can visit thousands of snowmen are gigantic in size. The snow don't flat from the different countries. If you want to participate in a magnificent swing water in a subpolar temperature, this is your opportunity. Chinese citizens and tourists of the whole country come together to participate in the swimming competition. Okay, this is my description about this cultural celebration. But would you like to visit this festival in your next vacation? Please don't forget your thermal and waterproof clothes. Okay.